Hello everyone, this is Jaita from Indian Roadies, Bangalore. Shubho Navabarsho, Happy Vishu and Happy Vaisakhi to all of you. We are really going through trying times, so let us all be at home, be safe and enjoy each other's company. We are waiting for a more adventurous future soon. Bye.
Hi friends, this is Shubhito Banerjee and I am one of the younger members of Indian Roadie from Chennai, but I hail from Kolkata. I wish you all a very happy Vishu, happy Bihu, happy Vaisakhi and Shubho Navabarsho. In these trying times we can't do much but convey our regards from the safety of our homes, and I wish you stay home, stay safe and take care of your babies in the garage.
Hi friends, this is Shojoy Guha, Indian Roadie from Bangalore. Shubho Navabarsho and happy Vaisakhi to all of you. In these days of pandemic, please maintain social distancing and prevent the spread of COVID-19. Stay safe, stay healthy. Best wishes.
Hello friends, this is Rahul Das, Indian Roadie from Goa. Happy Vishu, Happy Bihu, Happy Vaisakhi and Shubho Navabarsho to all. During this pandemic, stay at home, maintain social distancing to fight COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello friends, this is Rajiv Agiwal, Indian Roadie from Kolkata. Happy Vishu, Happy Vaisakhi, Happy Bihu, Shubho Navabarsho to all. During this pandemic, please stay at home to maintain social distancing to curb COVID-19. Keep strong, stay happy. Thank you.
Hi guys, Shubho Navabarsho to all of you. This is Shubdeep, Indian Roadie from Asansol. Let us all hope and pray that we come out of this crisis soon and look forward to exciting drives and rides again.
Hello friends, I am Shashank from Indian Roadies, Delhi. I wish you all a very happy Navabarsho and happy Vaisakhi too. Hope you guys celebrate indoors during this lockdown. Be safe and keep your loved ones also safe.
Hello, this is Mukul Mukherjee, Indian Roadies from Bokaro Steel City near Dhanbad in Jharkhand. Shubho Navabarsho and happy Vaisakhi to you all. Yes, during this stressful days of coronavirus, please stay at home to maintain social distancing to avoid the spread of COVID-19. Thank you and take care.
Hello friends, this is Aparnesh Mitra, Indian Roadie from Mumbai. Wishing everyone Shubho Navabarsho and happy Vaisakhi. In this pandemic of coronavirus, let us all stay at home, maintain social distance and be well and stay safe. Take care.
Hi, this is Shekhar Narayanan from Bangalore and I am an Indian Roadie. Happy Vaisakhi to everyone. During these difficult days of pandemic, please stay safe at home, maintain social distance and avoid COVID-19. Take care. Thank you.
Hello, this is Sajjan Taylor, Indian Roadies from Kolkata. Happy Vaisakhi, Happy Bihu, Shubho Navabarsho. During these critical days of pandemic, please stay at home to maintain social distancing to curb COVID-19. Stay strong, stay fit. Cheers.
Friends, this is Nitesh Anand, an Indian Roadie from Bangalore. I am staying at home and I am safe with my family members. I request you all to also stay at home and stay safe. Let us all win this battle against this dreaded coronavirus. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Abhijit from Calcutta, Indian Roadie member. Wish you all a Shubho Navabarsho and happy Vaisakhi. Hope you all are maintaining the social distancing to curb the COVID-19. Stay safe, stay happy.
This is Padma Chillai of Indian Roadie from Jispa, Himachal Pradesh. Happy Baisakhi, Happy Bihu, Shubho Noboborsho to all. At this critical hour of pandemic, please stay at home to maintain the social distance to curb the COVID-19. Stay strong, stay happy.
Hello friends, this is Ram Chris, Indian Roadie from Palakkad, Kerala. Happy Vishu, Happy Baisakhi, Happy Bihu and Shubho Nobo Boshno to all. Please stay at home, maintain individual distancing to stop COVID-19. Stay safe.
Hello Indian Roadies, I am Inderjeet Singh Sodhi, Indian Roadie from Ludhiana. Happy Vaisakhi to all my Indian Roadie friends. Please stay at home, don't take any risk, maintain social distancing to fight COVID-19. Stay at home, stay happy.
Hi folks, this is Indian Roadie member Tanmay from Hyderabad. I hope you all are doing good. Wish you all a very happy Baisakhi and Shubho Noboborsho. We are going through a very difficult time during this window. Please stay safe, stay at home, and take care about your family members and stay safe.
Sriram Swaminathan from Delhi. Happy Vishu Karni. Vaisakhi ਦੀਆਂ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ. Happy Tamil New Year. During this pandemic, let's stay at home and maintain social distancing to curb COVID-19 from spreading. Take care of yourself and family. Peace.
Hi friends, I'm Rajiv Goklani, a member of Indian Roadie, New Delhi. Let me first wish you a happy Baisakhi, a happy Bihu and a Shubho Noboborsho to each one of you here. I know it's a real difficult time during this pandemic. This too shall pass. Until then, please stay home and believe in social distancing to curb the spread of COVID-19. Stay safe, friends. Cheers. God bless.
Hi, friends. Namaskar and happy Baisakhi to you all. This is Devashish from Kolkata. One social message to you all. During this pandemic, please stay indoor and keep the social distancing and stay safe and stay at home. Thank you very much.
Hello, this is Dr. Sridhar from Chennai. I belong to the Indian Roadie group. On this auspicious day, I wish all the forum members a very happy Baisakhi, happy Vishu, happy Noboborsho, happy Puthand. Stay safe, stay at home.
Hi, this is Anirban Basak, Indian Roadie from Pune. Wishing you all Shubho Noboborsho, Happy Baisakhi, Ugadi and Vishu to wherever you are. During these stressful days, amidst the lockdown, please ensure social distancing and please stay at home to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Take care, be calm and be safe. Thank you.
Hello, this is Sumit Kumar Kabra, Indian Roadie from Chhindwara, Madhya Pradesh. Happy Baisakhi to everybody. In the hard days of this coronavirus, I request everybody to keep safe distance, be in your house to fight this virus out of the country, out of our life. Be safe. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Indian Roadie CA Mahesh Chandak from Nagpur. Let me wish all of you Shubho Noboborsho and Happy Baisakhi. As we all know, we are under a lot of stress because of this coronavirus. So let us all get together and fight this deadly virus by staying indoors and not getting out of home, plus maintaining social distance. Let us remember what the Prime Minister has said and follow that. Jaan bhi, jahan bhi. Thank you.
Hi Roadies, I'm Subhash Nag Chaudhary from Kolkata Roadies. Shubho Noboborsho and a very happy Baisakhi to all of you. Stay home, stay safe from COVID-19. Alright, take care.
Hi friends, this is Vijay Ranjan Sinha from Indian Roadie, Mumbai. Happy Baisakhi, Happy Bihu and Shubho Noboborsho. during this difficult time of COVID-19, I wish and request all of you to maintain safe distancing, be at home, keep safe and be safe. Thank you.
Hello all, this is Nagul Ram from Chennai. I've been part of Indian Roadies for the past 4 years. I wish you all a happy New Year, happy Baisakhi, happy Vishu. Let's all stay safe during the times of Corona. Stay safe guys, stay at home. Bye.
Hello friends, I am Deep Banerjee from Kolkata. I am the founder of Indian Roadie. Happy Boishakhi and Shubho Novovarsho to all the Indian Roadie members and followers across the country and overseas too. I have a very special message to convey to all of y'all. The world is going through some very rough times. We are passing through a pandemic, which is the coronavirus. The government authorities are asking us all to stay back at home to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Please listen to whatever the authorities have to tell us. Friends, please take care of yourself and your family members. Stay at home. Take care. Keep strong. Bye.